Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is not a makeup look, it's part of Friends Week, and today this is Juan, Juan is my ex-roommate. He and I were roommates in my second year of college, um, which happened because first year we clicked, we were friends, it was fun, and we're like, we get along and we don't fight. Want to be roommates? It ended up being a thing where it was really good and positive for us, although there were times where it was really dark, and I'm sorry for that, Juan. I am. Um, but with Juan, I had a few different things I had in mind. One thing is that I always remember him wearing this blue plaid, and he would always have like purple accents. So I'm like, blue, purple, perfect. But then the purple started to turn pink, and so I had to like fix it. So that's one thing. And the other thing is this liner thing that I'm doing, which you can't see like the little glitter that's on it. So here, let me turn up the brightness. There you go. So what I did here, let me turn down the lash, is I create this nice little edge design that whenever it's straight on, it looks like a nice wing. But whenever you look at it, it's a nice little different design. And I did that because one thing about Juan is that he's very creative. He's a creative person, so I want to do something that would honor his creativity. And the brown lip is a running joke that he and I had that I'm not going to share because it's kind of explicit, really funny. I can't say though because I can't. That's just like it was an inside joke that I just don't want to get like fully into. Juan, I'm sorry, but anyway. Oh, and one other thing. Today is Juan's birthday, and happy birthday, Juan. I miss you. I hope you see Fantastic Beasts: Crimes of Grindelwald because it's really good, and I know you said you might go see it today. I hope you do because it's good. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking so that we can get into this video. And Juan, I miss you. Yeah, I'm gonna let you get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. I always took care of my eyebrows, and I'm using something I haven't used in a long time. I'm using my Wet n Wild rechargeable brow pencil. I think I'm gonna stick to my pomade, but I want to give this a good go because I still have like a lot left in here. So yeah, I might add this in every now and again just because I mean it works. I used to really love this. I mean, this is my second one. And I use my NYX primer base as well as this is Brulee by Wet n Wild to set it. Okay, so today we're going to be using my Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 palette, which, hello. Okay, one thing I had to say that I absolutely love already, just based off like the first like thing about this, the names are on the palette. Thank you, Sephora. Ugh, it aggravates me so much whenever other brands, they don't put the names like below. And you're just like, I don't know what shade this is. I don't remember the name. And you have to like look at the thing. I remember when I reviewed the other Sephora Pro palettes last year. Oh, it was already a year. I had to literally tape. Oh no, I actually used my lash glue. The thing, the little insert that had the names to my mirror, which still has the scuff marks, not scuff marks, but like the markings from this glue. Anyway, I need to stop because I'm gonna get heated. The first thing I'm going to do is actually take the shade right here, Pegasus, which is this nice like pastel baby blue. I'm going to buff that just above and into the crease. I'm just thinking about I could actually use my Norvina palette. C'est la vie. Oh well. The next shade I'm going to go into is actually Mystic. No, that's Mystic. That's Fairy. Mystic. And I'm going to blend that just below and into the crease. Now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend. Okay, so now I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to actually take my NYX Epic Mousse eyeliner. I'm going to do a little, I don't know how to describe it. It's going to be like a little design with the eyeliner to where it's going to fit in my crease as well as onto my lid. And I'm going to top with the eyeshadow. I don't know which one yet. Yay! Real quickly, I'm actually going to take my fly liner to start it, and then I'm going to fill it in with my Epic Mousse. Okay, so on top of that liner, I'm going to take, let's go with Atlantis, because that's a little more poppin'. And I'm going to place it on top. I'm going to go restart this, and I'm going to use a different liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back to where we were, and I'm going to be using the NYX Midnight Chaos eyeliner. So this comes with a matte liner on one side and a metallic liner on the other. What I'm going to do is use the matte as a base like I was planning on doing before, so I'm going to draw out the little design I had. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to actually cover the lid. So what I'm going to do for the lid, okay, so what I'm going to use on the lid is, first I'm going to use Chant as a base. And then on top of that, I'm going to place Illusion. So I'm going to pick up Chant and place it all on the lid. Okay, there we go. Now we have a nice light look. So now I'm going to take the eyeliner, the Midnight Chaos eyeliner, and do that same little design. And then on top, we're going to place the metallic liner. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. Then we're going to place the topper on top. It has a different type of brush. It's more like a regular brush, so that's fun. Okay, so there you go. Again, this is a little more pink than I was expecting. So, real quickly, I think I'm going to grab... Hold on one second, let me see if I find some. Okay, so I found something in my collection that I think will be nice on top of the lid. So what I'm going to carefully do is I'm going to grab my little brush. I'm going to take my Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow in the shade of Vivid Amethyst and place it right on top. And then I'm going to place it on this side as well. Okay, so that's a lot closer to what I was thinking. Real quickly, I'm going to go off camera, finish this eye up, and then I'll be right back also with a full face. Okay, and we are back, and my lighting is making me look very weird. As you can see, it's a lot better without the bright lights, but back to the look. I'm trying out some new lashes today. These are, well, you probably, if you are following me on Instagram, Neo Does Makeup, will know I got some new lashes from a new brand. And these are genuine kin lashes, and this is the style Sabrina. They're really pretty, and it's just my mascara. It's messing with my eyes. And it's really bugging me because I know it's the mascara because it was bugging me before I put on lashes. Really comfortable, really light, which I like. I did try the shade, this style, Evanora. They're really pretty. My only problem is those would be better for bottom lashes for me because the style just curls up too much and hits up here. So Evanora, which, let me pull them up real quick, is this. So for me, I would just, again, stick them to the bottom lashes, which I'm not going to do today. But now that I have a pair like this, I know I will. At some point. Trying out a new bronzer. It's pretty. And yeah, okay. Now we're going to move on and back to the eyes. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the purple and blue and run those in the lower lash. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm going to take Orion from the Aurora palette. Well, this is the Aurora Glow Kit. So I'm going to take Orion and pop that right in the center. I mean, in the inner corner. And for this nice purple blue look, I'm going to actually take, this is Unveil by Fenty. Juan and I have a running joke that I cannot share on the platform, but let's just say brown is a funny color. Okay, so I don't say this often, but one of my favorite color combinations is actually brown and blue. So I'm loving this. Now just to tie this lip back into everything else, I'm going to take the lip gloss by Wet n Wild, which is Scorpio, which, funny enough, Juan is a Scorpio. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I like it. I will be honest, like here, let me show you. Like in the regular lighting, it's not as crazy as it looks whenever the lighting is on. So that's my only thing. I know the lighting makes me like look so much brighter under here. Trust me, it's not. I like this little liner trick. It did not work well on this eye, but on this eye it's like, okay, yeah, I'm going to work. This eye is like, haha, no. I'm loving this lip with this eye. I'm just really loving it all. And the day that I'm filming this is actually Juan's birthday, and the day that I'm uploading this is Juan's birthday because I'm filming this and uploading this today. I was supposed to film yesterday on Monday, and some stuff popped up and I wasn't able to take care of it. So today, I need to record, edit, and upload in the same day. As well as edit some other stuff as well for tomorrow. And yeah, so I have to run. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button. Because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. And Juan, Thank you for putting up with my ass. I don't know how you did it. I honestly don't. So thank you. I miss you. Well, again, I'll see you next time. Bye.